coming back to my channel. It's your girl Kels. Thank you for joining me one more again. So this is what I'm working with, y'all. I've been sleeping on my hair for a whole week, probably more, okay? And I just been like popping it up into a pineapple bun like when I go out, okay? I just been putting my little, let me tell you, I've been neglecting this hair, neglecting it, okay? Because I've been dreading to wash it. I don't want to wash it. I don't want to do anything. I just been going out like this, like, okay? So I decided that, okay, you need to stop. My hair is dry, very dry, and it's shrunken, and it's just like a hot mess. So I have to wash it, and I really don't want to wash it. I'm gonna co-wash it, then I'm going to treat it and go under the dryer and all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do this bomb twist out, okay? Because right now this is not it. No, not at all. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and my hair is freshly washed, conditioned, and treated. I'm gonna put my hair in 4 sections because that makes it easier for me. And I'm gonna put some scrunchies in it. So I will be using my Aussie Miracle Curl Frizz Taming Cream. This has in coconut and jojoba oil. I've used this before and my curls came out really defined when my hair was dry and everything. So I will be using this again. I really liked it and my curls came out really soft and manageable and really defined. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this. My hair loves Blue Magic. I mean, you could use any oil you want to use, but I'm gonna be using this. So I'm going to be just like twisting my hair. All right, I usually oil my hair, okay, and I kind of work it in. Once I get that done, then I use my cream, my curling cream, and it's really thick. It's a thick consistency, and you know, I just put it in there and kind of work it in. I twist it. Do you see that? Yes, gets those curls going. So I'm just gonna twist my hair. I'm gonna make this quick.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
So I'm going to be doing 2 cornrows on each side of my head. I usually do this when I do my twist outs, only because I think it makes the hairstyle looks a little nicer, cuter, you know, in my opinion. So you don't have to do it, it's optional, but I like it and the results is really cute. So I'm finished, and all we have to do now is wait until my hair dries. My curls are luscious and juicy. You can see for yourself. Very, very moisturized. So it's the next day and I'm completely dry. Now let's do our takedown. I'm gonna take some coconut oil, apply it to my fingertips so that I won't get my hair all frizzed out. All right, and we're gonna take our time and take these curls out. So this is the final result. I love it. This is one of my go-to hairstyles. It came out really nice and defined, very moisturized, and I really hope you love this tutorial. Thank you for coming back to my channel and joining me. Hopefully you can wear this hairstyle. If you like it, you can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye bye.